migao mathieth mochung'ne timo nonro mag thieth kod lupo e pacho kae Kemri, James Mwaluma dwaro mondo riwruoge mag SAGA oket mwandu e sekta no. Mwaluma koni sirikal kende ok nyal chopo dwaro mantiere madongo uchumi kendo loso thuolo moromo mag tije thurka. Kolose bama Mombasa kinde romo mar joket mwandu riwruoge mag ohala kata cooperative societies okone sekta malupo kaachiel kod nonro nyalo nyuolo omenda mathoth. Poni oket maino e sekta no. Joket mwandu bende ojiw mondo mi oket mwandu gi e lony manyasani kaka yor mar bero chenro mag chwalo chenro mopogore opogore.
Na tunatarajia strategic plan ambayo wameweza kulaunch leo itaweza kuwapeleka mbele kwa miaka 5 ambayo inakuja.
Ukiangalia Kenya kwa ujumla kuna hawa young generations tunaita ma Gen Z saa zingine. Hawa wanataka services kwa rahisi na wezi wapata kwamba wameenda kutunga line hapo kwenye benki. Kwa hivyo hiyo strategic plan ambayo imefanywa kama imefanya SWOT analysis na imeweka haya mambo ya ambayo itaweza kufanya services as a products ziwe diversified.
Mambo yenye atafanya hayo yote tuyatimize na pia yako katika strategic plan is to make sure that we have infrastructure and innovation in place. Now here I mean also when I talk about infrastructure, I also mean the human resource. We have to make sure that we have motivated human resource and we have human resource that is answered to the need of the customer.
See the kind of taxation regime which is becoming more and more very restrictive, if I may say. We also see even people who are in employment, the pay slip is being squeezed so much. There are issues like SHA, issues of NSSF, and many things like that. So on all fronts, yes, we see a membership that is struggling.
Kora moja machako koyo machielo chendo ni maro imore hang na kamo kuom ote kamotingo mana ma David Obel ka Kipasi Kanyadoto wachera mongi TV chopo yo makare gwenge ma Kipasi wachoni odhul kambi okaw mos mage. Jakosege Ochieng wachoni Gashago wachoni sirikal uso Bomas of Kenya nikech en bende na ene sirikal kinde mane mago timore. Kaireno otimar Brian Pinky wachoni NTSC buoche kanyamkago mora hinya gi chenro eno kanyo otemara Moses Jakinyozi Marombek. Moses wachoka chacha ni sani